Hey, what's up you guys? Foamsmith here. So in today's video, I'm actually going to teach you guys a technique that I use for detailing. It's a quick way to detail. It's something that you can use if you got something at the last minute, or if you're just too lazy and you don't want to cut out a bunch of different pieces to make those details. So the things that you're going to need are basically a marker, obviously some foam, a blade, and a heat gun, which is back here. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw on to the foam some sort of design. So I'm gonna do something real quick right here. Let's do a cross, like diamond. There we go. It's really rough. I drew this. And you see that? Okay, so the next part, you're basically gonna take your blade and you're gonna shorten it. Like right now, this is 6mm EVA foam. So if my blade is longer than this, it's gonna cut through. And you don't want to cut all the way through, you only want to scratch the surface. So I'm gonna get it very short. There's the thickness, there's the blade. See? Very short. So what you're gonna do now is you're going to trace over whatever you just drew with the knife. You want to trace over every single line, or else it's not going to pop out. I'll explain why right now. Let me just cut this real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 lines. Okay, so you see this, right? Normally, if you wanted something to look something like that in foam, you would have to cut out all the different pieces and glue them together, right? That's what you'd think. But what you do is you draw on your design, you scratch over it with a knife, and then you heat it up. When you heat it up, EVA foam shrinks. So when the EVA foam starts shrinking, all those cuts will start to expand and you're gonna get your design visible. Like it's gonna pop out. So I'm gonna heat it up real quick. One thing that I forgot to mention, when you're using a heat gun, don't stay over the same area for too long on foam. Try to move it around as much as you can because you don't want to burn it. If you stay over the area for too long, it's really gonna burn really fast and it's gonna look ugly, and it's a little hard to paint over that and cover it. So be very careful, just keep moving it around. Okay, this does take a while. You got to heat it up a little bit. Keep moving it around, but basically you get that. The more you heat it up, the bigger the crack's gonna expand. I was doing this very quick, so I wasn't too clean with it. I didn't go exactly over the lines, but you can see what I mean right there. I'll do another piece really quick. Let me get some more scrap foam. I'll draw on something else. Let's go with zigzag. Okay, this is really good if you're doing like medieval style stuff, and you know medieval armor has a lot of different designs etched into the metal, or yeah, pretty much etched into the metal. So, and you want to resemble that on foam. Instead of cutting out different pieces and trying to like do it the hard way, this is actually a very quick way to do this compared to other stuff. You gotta take your time, be careful. I'm doing this really rushed for the sake of the video. Might even speed it up depending how long the video takes. Okay, so I did the zigzag. I already cut over it with the knife. I'm gonna heat it up now. So again, I was a little rushed cutting over it. Didn't go too deep, but you can kind of see it right there. So instead of having to cut two pieces that will lock into each other like that to make that design, I just drew it on, traced over it with the knife, and then I heated up with the heat gun, and it worked just fine. So for the tools and materials, you can always go to the link in my bio if you're watching this on Instagram, or if you're watching it on YouTube, then my Amazon link will be down in the description. Again, you don't have to buy what's on my list. If you find something else cheaper but you went to Amazon through my link, it will help me out. I will get a commission anyway, and we both win. You get what you needed to get, and I get a commission. It helps me out. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. But yeah, you can get the foam on my Amazon link. You can get the markers. You can get the blades. But most importantly, you can get all that stuff at the store too, but most importantly, you can get a heat gun, which I added my favorite heat gun on there, which would be the Black & Decker heat gun, which is one that I really like to use a lot. I don't have one personally, my friends have one. I use theirs all the time. I plan on keep using mine until it burns out, and then I'll probably get one of those. But yeah, until then, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope it helped you guys. I hope it gets you guys crafting and making a bunch of different cosplays. You know, if you have any other ideas, let me know down in the comments. If you guys used this for one of your projects and this video helped you out, make sure to tag me or send me pictures of whatever it is that you made, and I'll make sure to see it and give you feedback. And I'm really looking forward to seeing that type of stuff. So until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay crafting. Peace out.